Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn on how to restore Snapchat streaks without link. And I'll introduce to launch our Snapchat application, and then we are going to tap on our profile, and then we are going to tap on the gear icon, the other top of the gear icon. There you can actually scroll down. Then we are going to look for I need help, which is here the support. Now you can see I actually then have that option to currently, and that I have actually lost my synapse streak, and I can tap on that, or I can actually tap on I need help. Then as you can see here the shortcuts, I'm going to tap on I lost my synapse streak. From there, it's going to show us the ways on how to restore our synapse streak. And they're going to ask us if the article was helpful, and we let's see that it wasn't helpful. And I'd say this article didn't answer my question, because of my group wanted to ask, what did you find unhelpful with this article? To tap on submit, and therefore they are going to give us a way in order to help us restore our lost snap streak. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.